Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I recently deployed this one small Python app called Graph.F of X or Graph function, whatever you would like to call. So how exactly does this work is a separate video, but this is just a demo showing what all the app can do currently as of now when it is at its very early stages. As you can read over here, it's still at a very development stage where there are much more broader ideas linked with this app, like plotting 3D data, adding another third axis over there, the third variable. Currently it can plot only 2D data on the Cartesian plane coordinate system, which you can manipulate at a certain extent over here by entering the minimum value and maximum value of x. And in general you can actually plot any expression, not equation. If you type x squared plus 4x plus 2 equal to 0, it would give an error because this is not an expression, this is an equation. But if you remove the equal to sign equal to 0 and then plot it, it would give you the graph. Obviously it's a parabola since it's an quadratic equation, apart from which you can even download the graph, where that's quite some convenient. As you can see, you can even download the graph. And yeah, and another options over here, as you can see the top options. First let us grab something else like sine of x. When we keep sine of x, we obviously get a sine wave, sine function. But here I actually found a bug while I was testing this. If you type x times sine of x, means when we read it, it looks like x times sine of x, but when you run this, it will actually give you an error. So if you want to plot x into sine of x, you have to literally write x times sine of x, after which it will give you this graph. Obviously this is the correct graph. And about these are just the themes that I kept. One is called the blueprint, and it would give you like this theme, like a blueprint. Another is manim, and this is actually my main inspiration. Three blue, one brown is the main inspiration for this whole project. Then we have light abnormal, which looks like this, and light normal, which looks like this. So those are the four most available themes. You can find the whole code of this actually in my GitHub. I will try to keep a link, and you can go absurd sometimes with this, like sine of log of x, and it would give you some sort of a weird, not that weird, actually it looks pretty good. But yeah, it would give you like this graphs. It will show you how it converted the equation so that Python numpy can read it. And so the so this is basically very basic version of this app. It has lot more features coming up, like animated graphs. So there are like certain animations that wait, I would show you. So yeah, these are few animations, I mean four animations that I have done till now. There are obviously multiple combinations of these animations that you can do multiple combinations of this animation. Now we are going to just plot the uh, cos cos function, cos wave, which looks like a sine wave. Anyways, once we run this, we get this one. I call this animation as manim. uh, Looks like manim type animations, as you can see. Another one that we have is line dot animation, line dot motion. Line dot motion is basically there is a dot that is going through the whatever function, whatever equation, sorry, expression that you have kept. Another one is the dot animation, which I coded it to be just a dot. Yes, it's just a dot going through the uh, expression. I Last one must be just the line dot. No, dot line dot manim. There is the curve animation. Yes, I forgot the curve animation, which basically just gives you the curve, but it's like manim but more basic, like that. And yes, additionally with this layout, you can also add like these themes that we have: blueprint, uh, the blue just a sec. Yes, so the blueprint theme or the light abnormal theme or the light normal theme, like these themes also you will be soon able to add to these type of animated motion graphs. Apart from which, as I have mentioned before, I have got also plans to keep a third axis, i.e. make it into 3D animated. Basically this is for math enthusiasts like me. Disclaimer that I am not a very skilled coder, programmer, whatever you like. I just like to do. I am mostly a science and arts enthusiast, but this application that is still under development, graph of f of x, you'll be able to do even animations, simulations, and of course these still graphs with very nice visuals, and it would be quite easy to do also. And yeah, thank you.